Are you looking for an inexpensive, home-based business opportunity that's not going to break the bank? Well, then you're at the right place. I'm Chet Mulligan. I'm the founder and president of Kwik Dry Total Cleaning. And we have the most exciting, inexpensive, home-based business opportunity in North America. We basically have 8 businesses for one low price. Kwik Dry Total Cleaning is from coast to coast. We're all the way from the East Coast to the West Coast, all the way up. We have locations now in Canada. We do carpet, upholstery, tile and grout cleaning, grout colored ceiling, wood floor cleaning and sealing, air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, mattress cleaning, and more. We include all of the equipment for all of the services. We include all of the products. We manufacture and own the formulas for all of the products that we use. We build your website. We do the search engine optimization, the backlinks, the blogs, all the social media for you. We have our own call center, so we take all of the phone calls and schedule all of the jobs for you. Kwik Dry Total Cleaning has been around since 2008, and it's exciting how God has blessed this business and how we have grown all over North America. We own our own here in the Cocoa, Florida, Brevard County area, and we run 6 vehicles here cleaning each and every day. We think this is an exciting opportunity, and I'd like you to take the time to maybe click the link below and set up an appointment to speak with me. It takes about an hour for me to go through all of this opportunity with you. But for only $35,000, you get everything to start your business. All of the equipment, the supplies, the wrap for a vehicle or a trailer, the website. You come to sunny Cocoa Beach, Florida and train for 5 days. We don't teach you in a controlled environment. For 4 days, you work in actual customers' homes and businesses. Then you spend 1 day in our corporate headquarters in Cocoa, Florida, with each of our vice presidents and our managers, coaching you and teaching you about all the aspects of running your own successful business. We teach you how to work on your business and not in your business. If you're looking for an inexpensive, home-based opportunity, there is no greater opportunity in North America than Kwik Dry Total Cleaning. I hope you'll consider this awesome opportunity.